BMW Motorrad has updated its most affordable adventure tourer motorcycle, G310GS, with a new color theme. The company has announced that it will offer this KTM 390 adventure rival in the new racing red color. Meanwhile, it has discontinued the Kalamata dark gold metallic paint theme from the palette. The new paint theme features a red color for the ADV-style front beak, fuel tank top, and chassis. Notably, the styling remains unaltered, and the 2024 model retains a single-pod headlight, a fly screen, a semi-fairing, a step-up seat, a side-slung exhaust, and a luggage rack. The hardware, too, remains similar to the outgoing version, and the 2024 BMW G310GS retains upside-down front forks, a rear mono shock, and disc brakes on both wheels. Further, it continues to ride on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear 5-spoke alloy wheels that are shod in tubeless tires. The mechanical specifications will retain the 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled motor with a dual overhead camshaft and 4-valve setup. Linked to a 6-speed gearbox, this engine is tuned to deliver 33.5 bhp of maximum power at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 28 Nm of peak torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. BMW Motorrad claims a top speed of 143 km/h and a fuel efficiency of 28.5 kmpl. Notably, this motorcycle will comply with E20 fuel requirements. The official India launch details for the 2024 model are not available yet. However, our sources indicate that the updated model will reach BMW Motorrad showrooms in India by the end of this month.